Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. This is the second part of H&Ws SB 2020 question paper with solutions. Let's go to the question. The 31st question is the critical hydraulic gradient for a soil with a grain specific gravity G and void ratio E is given by the following equation. This is from geotechnical engineering. Option A, G minus 1 by 1 plus E. Option B, G plus E by 1 minus E. Option C, G plus E by 1 plus E. Option D, G plus 1 by 1 plus V. This is the direct formula. Our option is the option A, G minus 1 by 1 plus E, critical hydraulic gradient. This is important formula for AEE exam. Next question is the 1 cubic meter of wet soil weighs 19.8 kilonewton if the specific gravity of soil particle is 2.7 and water content is 1%. Find the dry unit weight of soil. This is also from geotechnical engineering, and this question is deleted from the final key. We can see the solution here. Volume equal to 1 meter cube. Next, water content W equal to 1%, 0.01, and weight W equal to 19.8 kilonewton, G equal to 2.7, gamma equal to W by V equal to 19.8 kilonewton per meter cube. Gamma means unit weight of soil, W by V, bulk unit weight of soil. Next, gamma D, dry unit weight of soil equal to gamma by 1 plus W. This is the formula for dry unit weight. 19.8 by 1 plus 0.01, that is equal to 19.6 kilonewton per meter cube. Here no option is there, so that's why this question. Match the following: A, porosity, B, air content, C, void ratio, D, degree of saturation. Porosity means volume of voids by volume of soil. Air content is volume of air voids by volume of voids. Void ratio is volume of voids by volume of solids. D, degree of saturation, volume of water by water in the voids by volume of voids. Matching, we can see the matching. Porosity is matches with ratio of volume of voids to the total volume of soil mass. A, yes. B ki air content. Air content, this is the ratio of volume of air voids to total volume of voids. B ki P. Next one is the void ratio. Void ratio, ratio of volume of voids to the volume of solids. This is Q. Degree of saturation is ratio of volume of water in the voids to volume of voids. This is option D is the correct answer. Next question is the if Kx and Kz are the permeable in the x and z directions respectively in two-dimensional flow situation, the effective permeability is given by, this is also direct formula. Option A, Kz by Kx. Option B, Kx plus Kz. Option C, root Kx plus Kx into Kz. Option D, Kx by Kz. Our answer is root Kx into Kz. This is the direct formula. Next question is the stressed failure on the failure plane in cohesionless soil mass were shear stress equal to 3 kN per meter square, normal stress equal to 4 kN per meter square. Determine the resultant stress on a failure plane. Let's see the answer. Shear stress equal to 3 kN per meter square. Normal stress equal to 4 kN per meter square. Resultant stress is nothing but under root of shear stress square plus normal stress square. So we get 3 square plus 4 square. Under root of 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 kilonewton per meter square. Our option is the D, 5 kilonewton per meter square. Resultant stress on the failure plane is 5 kilonewton per meter square. Next question is the strap footing is also called A. Combined footing, B. File foundation, C. Pump handle foundation, D. Raft foundation. Our answer is pump handle foundation. Strap footing is nothing but pump handle foundation. Next question is the fine factor for particular average degree of consolidation. This is, I think this is time factor. This is came wrong in the exam. So they give 3 answers for this question. This is B, C, D are the answers for this question. I think this is the time factor for particular average degree of consolidation. So these are the 3 answers for this question. Next question is read the following statements related to compaction of soil. A. Compaction increases the dry density of soil. Yes, compaction increases the dry density of soil. Yes. Compaction increases its shear strength. Yes, compaction increases its shear strength. This is also correct. Compaction decreases the tendency for settlement of soil. Compaction, yes, at a particular stage, the compaction completed, the settling is decreases. So the settlement of soil will be decreases. Compaction brings high permeability of the soil. No, this is wrong statements. Compaction brings the less permeability of the soil, because soil will be compacted, so density will be very high. There is no pores will be present in the soil. So our option is A, B, C are the correct answers. Identify the correct statement from the following: A and D only, B, A, B, C only, C, A, B and D only, D, A, C and D only. Our answer is option B is the correct answer. All questions are from geotechnical engineering only. 39th question. A sand fill compacted to a bulk density of 20 kN per meter cube is to be placed on a compressible saturated marsh deposit 3.5 mm thick. The height of the sand fill is to be 3 meters. If the volume of compressibility of the deposit is 7 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square per kilonewton, estimate the final settlement of the soil. Let's see the answer. This is the diagram. 3.5 meters and the sand is 3 meters, gamma equal 20 kilonewton per meter square. This is the MV, volume compressibility is 7 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square per kilonewton. Delta sigma dash Q equal R into 3, 20 into gamma into 3. This is not R, gamma into 3, 60 kPa. SF equal to MV into H into final settlement equal to MV into H into delta sigma dash. 7 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 3.5 into 60. This is nothing but 0.147 meters. This is equal to 147 mm. Our option is C is the correct option. This is geotechnical engineering. Next question is in a semi-infinite homogeneous isotropic material, the electrical resistivity is measured using the following equation: A 2 pi d by IE, B pi d by IE, C 2 pi d by 2 pi d into E by I, D pi d into E by I. Our answer is 2 pi d into E by I. This is from soil exploration in geotechnical engineering. This equation in the soil exploration topic, 2 pi d into E by I. Next question is the 41st question. Who is the father of modern soil mechanics? A. Newmark, B. Terjagi, C. Rankine, D. Casagandre. We know that father of soil mechanics is the Terjagi. Our answer is B. Terjagi, called Terjagi. Next question, 42 question is the working out the exact quantity of various items of work is known as. This question is from estimation costing. A. Quantity surveying, B. Valuation, C. Estimating, D. Mensuration. Our answer is A. Quantity surveying. Exact quantities or various items of work is known as. The question itself contains quantities, quantity surveying. Next question is the 43 question. The quantity of wood for the shutters of doors and windows is measured in. The quantity of wood for the shutters of doors and windows. Shutters and doors. Estimation costing question. A. Meter cube. B. Lump sum question. C. Meter. D. Meter square. The shutters of doors and windows measured in meter square. Our option is D. D is the correct option for this question. Shutters of doors and windows measured in meter square. Next question is the 44th question. Newmark influence chart is applicable to the following soil mass. This is also from geotechnical engineering. A. Semi-infinite. B. Homogeneous. C. Isotropic. D. Elastic. Identify the correct statement. A, C and D only. B, A, B, C and D. C, A, B and C only. D, A and B only. Our answer is A, B, C and D only. All are correct. Semi-Newmark influence chart is applicable to semi-infinite, homogeneous, isotropic and elastic soil. These all are correct. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Next question is the Raybon's graphical method is based on. This is also from geotechnical engineering. A. Kalman's theory. B. Coulomb's theory. C. Rankine's theory. D. Westergaard's theory. This is from geotechnical engineering. A. Kalman's theory. B. Coulomb's theory. Our option is Raybon's graphical method is based on Coulomb's theory. Answer is the B. Option B is the correct answer, Coulomb's theory. Next question is the 46th. The geophone is A. An electromechanical device that detects vibrations and converts them into measurable electrical signals. B. To measure the magnitude of the velocity, useful for drawing a borehole well lag to measure the electrical. Our answer is the A. An electromechanical device that detects vibrations and converts them into measurable electric signals. Geophone is used for detecting of vibrations. This is the geophone. This is from geology. Next question is the 47. To determine the whole volume performed by given sections over a given length, the Prismidal formula can be applied. A. Only when the number of sections are even. No, they not applied for even numbers. Only for 3 sections at a time. No. Irrespective of the number of sectional area being odd or even. No. D. Only when the number of sectional area are odd. The Prismidal formula is applicable to when the number of sections are odd. At that time this formula will be applicable. This is from surveying. Next 48th question is the read the following statements. A. Lead is the average horizontal distance between site of earthwork and area of disposal. Yes, lead is horizontal distance between the site of earthwork. When there is a soil digging is the soil excavation will be doing. If excavated soil will be disposed to some other location with horizontal distance, same level with horizontal distance. This is known as lead. Lift is the average vertical distance between the level of excavation to place of spreading or heaping. The lift is average vertical distance between the excavated soil will be disposed at the other location with some height. This is lift. So these two statements are correct. Lift is the average horizontal distance. No, lift is not a horizontal distance, it is the vertical height. Lead is the average vertical distance. No, lead is the horizontal distance. So remember this, lead is the average horizontal distance, lift is the average vertical distance. So our options are identify the correct statement. A and C only. B, A and D only. C, A and B only. D, C and D only. Our option is C, A and B only. Estimation costing question. Next question is the 49th question. Identify the size of standard modular bricks in centimeters. A. 12 by 6 by 6. B. 12 by 12 by 6, C 19 by 9 by 9, D 19 by 19 by 9. Our option is the 19 by 9 by 9 is the correct answer. Standard modular brick building materials question. Next question is the 50th question. Estimates the cost of brickwork for a wall 4 meter long, 3 meter high and 30 centimeter thick. The rate of brickwork is 320 per meter cube. First estimate the solution is the volume 4 meter long wall and 3 meters height and 30 centimeters, nothing but 0.3 meters. Volume is 3.6 meter cube. 1 meter cube per 1 meter cube 320 rupees will be charged. For 3.6 meter cube it will be charged to estimate quantity into rate. Quantity is 3.6 meter cube, 320 per meter cube, that is nothing but 1152 rupees. Option B is the correct answer. This is from estimation costing question. Next question is the P, Q, R and S are 4 points at corners of an excavation. The heights of the excavation at the 4 points are 3.21 meters, 1.47 meters, 2.15 meters and 3.51 meters. P 3.21 meters depth, Q 1.47 meters depth, R 2.15 meter depth, S 3.51 meters depth. And PS and QR are parallel side. PS and QR are the parallel side. PS and QR are the parallel sides. With the length 3 meters, PS is 3 meters and QR is 7.5 meters. The vertical distance between the PS and QR is 6 meters. Vertical distance is PS and QR is 6 meters. Find the volume of the excavation. A volume equal to area into average of all heights. This is the 3.21 H1, H2, H3, H4. These are the heights. 3.21, 1.47, 2.15, 3.51. Area equal to average of width. This is the length. This is the surface area. We are finding surface area. 7.5 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 6 is the, this is the length direction. 3 plus 7.5 by 2 into 6 into average of all the heights. 3.21, 1.47, 2.15, 3.151. After calculating, we get 81.42 meter cube. Option A is the correct answer. This is from estimation costing. Next question is the a scale of 1 centimeter equal to 5 kilometers is represented as a representative fraction is 1 centimeter equal to 5 kilometers on the map. So the representative RF is 1 centimeter equal to 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers converted into centimeters. 5 into 1000 meters and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Then 1 centimeter equal to 5 lakhs centimeters. This is 1 is to 5 lakhs is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. 1 is to 5 lakhs is the RF of this map. Surveying question. This is from surveying question. Next question is the 53. A 30 meter chain was tested before a survey and found to have a length of 30.3 meters. 30 meter chain is changed to 30.3 meters. If the length of a line measured with the chain was 290 meters, with the 30.3 meters chain, the length of the line is measured 290 meters. Find the true length. This is the true length. 30 meters is the true length. 30.3 is the defective length. 30.3 due to the any atmospheric effects, temperature increase, those are the effects. 30.3 meters expansion, and the line measured is 290 meters. Find the true length of the line. Option A 292.9 meters, B 290.3 meters, C 290 meters, D 287.3 meters. The true length L equal to, this is the L dash is the measured length L dash, capital L dash is the changed length of chain 30.3 meters, is the actual length, this is 30 meters. L equal to 290 into 30.3 by 30 equal to 292.9 meters. Option A is the correct answer. Before going to the next question, please subscribe to my channel. Next question is the a prism square is used to A. Set an enlarged view of station marks, B. Marking of survey stations, C. Check the alignment of survey lines, D. Set a line at right angles to the survey line. This is from surveying. Our answer is the set a line at right angles to survey line. Prism square is used to set a line at right angles to the survey line. Next question is the identify wrong statement from the following. A. In prismatic compass, readings are taken from south end. Prismatic compass readings are taken from south end. B. Surveyor's compass readings are taken from north end. C. Prismatic compass measures whole circle bearing. D. Surveyor's compass measures whole circle bearing. We can see the answer. Prismatic compass. The gradations are in WCB. Prismatic compass gradations are whole circle bearing. That means C is the correct option. Next, having 0 degrees at south, 0 degrees, which means prismatic compass starts from south. This is option A also correct. Option A and option C are correct. Prismatic compass statements are correct. Next, surveyor compass statements. The gradations are in quadratic bearing system having 0 degrees at north. This surveyor's compass is QB, quadratic bearing, which means 0 to 90 degrees, which means 4 quarters. 0 to northeast, east west, east south, southwest, west north. So, and the surveyor's compass starts from 0 degrees at north. Surveyor's compass also readings are taken from north end. So this is option B is correct, but option D is wrong. Surveyor's compass measures whole circle bearing. Given whole circle bearing, but we know that it is measured in QB system, quadratic bearing system. So option D is the identify wrong statement. So wrong statement is option D. Our answer is option D. Next question is the 56th question. The formwork which is used for vertical structural member such as columns, RCC walls, it is known as building materials question. A. Formwork, B. shuttering, C. staging, D. centering. The columns. This is the formwork. Before construction of a column, this is the formwork will be like this. Our answer is the shuttering. These are shuttering. In the usual language also we call it as shuttering of columns. This is shuttering. Option B is the correct answer. This is from building materials. Next question is the 57th question. The joints of the brickwork shall be raked out to a depth of 20 mm and the surface of wall washed and cleaned and kept wet for 2 days. This process is known as A. Soiling, B. Plastering, C. Jointing, D. Pointing. This is the raking of brickwork joints. This is the raking of brickwork joints. Our answer is pointing. The joints of brickwork shall be raked out a depth of 20 mm, surface wall washed and cleaned, kept for 2 days. This process is known as pointing. Option D is the correct answer. If you think this video will be helpful for you, please like, share and comment down below. Next question is the 58th question. The following are related to units of measurements for various items and materials. Identify the wrong pair. A. Rock excavation, meter cube. Yes, excavation, any excavation, sand excavation or rock excavation in meter cube only, in volume only. Dam proof course, meter cube. We will discuss later. C. Thin partition wall, meter square. Partition walls are measured in meter square only, because these partition walls, width of the partition, thin partition walls is 4.5 inches only. So the width direction is not considered. The length and depth direction will be considered. Height direction will be considered. This is meter square only, area only considered. D. Sand filling. This is also sand excavation or filling in the meter cube only. Next, this is the dam proof course. Dam proof course. The thickness of the dam proof course is very less compared to the other two directions. So the dam proof course measured in meter square, units of dam proof course is meter square. So wrong pair is B. Option B is the wrong pair. Dam proof course not measured in meter cube, it is measured in meter square. Remember this. Next question is this is estimation costing question. Next question is the 59th question. This is from surveying. List 1 quartic bearing. List 2 whole circle bearing. A. North 60 degrees 25 minutes east. B. South 85 degrees 30 minutes east. C. South 64 degrees 30 minutes west. D. North 82 degrees 45 minutes west. We can see the whole circle bearing means the angles are measured from the north direction only. Any angle measured from north direction only. If we angle is in the first coordinate, it is in the first coordinate theta 1 only. If the angle is in the second coordinate, the angle will be 90 degrees plus this angle will be measured, which means north to this angle theta 2, and theta 3 is the north to this angle is the theta 3. Theta 4 is the north to this angle is theta 4. In quartic bearing, in each quarter they measure the angles. In these angles, north theta 1 east, this is the north theta 1 east, this is the south theta 2 east, which means south theta 2 east, this is the south theta 3 west, this is the north theta 4 west. In each quarter they measure the angle in each quarter only. Here north 60 degrees 25 minutes, which means in this quarter only. In first quarter, this is the first coordinate only, north 60 degrees 25 minutes, which means our option is the S is the correct answer for A. A is the S. All options are S. Next is the south 85 degrees 30 minutes east. South 85 degrees 30 minutes east. 85 degrees 30 minutes east means 90 minus 85 degrees 30 minutes east. This means 90 minus 85 degrees 30 minutes. This angle is 4 degrees 30 minutes. And this is the 90 degrees. 90 plus 4 degrees 30 minutes. 94 degrees 30 minutes. B is the matches with P. B, S, P. Option A, option C are there. Next, C. South 64 degrees 30 minutes west. South 64 degrees 30 minutes west. The angle is 180 degrees north to south plus 64 degrees 30 minutes, which means 180 plus 64 degrees 30 minutes is 244 degrees 30 minutes. C matches with R. C matches with R here. Yes, A or C are our choices. In this, C matches with R. So our option is A is the correct answer. And D, north 82 degrees 45 minutes means north 82 degrees 45 minutes. We are measuring from here to here. So 360 minus 82 degrees 45 minutes means 277 degrees 15 minutes. So our option is A. Next question is the 60 question. This is the last question for this part 2. The daily variation of the position of the magnetic needle as it points to the north is called as A. diurnal variation, which means 24 hours. B. annual variation, which is 365 days, 1 year. Irregular variation, this is random. Secular variation, this is 250 to 300 years. So daily variation means 24 hours is the diurnal variation. Option A is the correct answer. This is from surveying. Next, this is the last question. Next is the official final key of the Tspsc Hmws paper. These are the today's discussed questions. This is the set C key and question paper is also set C. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow us on Instagram.